Hello people, so today we will be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion that is 3097, which is shortest subarray with or at least k second part, and as we are given an array nums of non-negative integers and an integer k, and an array is called special if the bitwise or of all of its element is at least k, and we have to return the length of the shortest special non-empty subarray of nums, or we have to return -1 if there is no such special subarray. For example, in this example we are having the nums as 1 to 3, so and k is equal to 2. Okay, so basically the subarray 3 has or value of 3, hence we'll have to return the length, that is 1. Okay, and if oh yeah, its or value is at least k, and I was thinking that the answer should be 2, but okay, fine. Yeah, the value is at least k. Yeah, but 2 should also be a valid answer because it says at least k, so greater than or equal. Okay, let's just leave it. I guess we have to return all with the greater value, or let's say 218 has an OR value of this, and if we'll do XOR of 2 or 8, I just need to check that the XOR of 2 or of 2 or 8, so that will be 1 and then 1 2 3. This is basically 8 and then 1 0, so this will become okay, it's XOR 1010. Yeah, so it will become 10, but yeah, we have to return the greatest value, and so that's why the answer comes out to be 3 and not 2. Okay, there I should change the question statement. This is at least what I feel. Okay, so let's have uh, answer variable directly, so that's equal to the maximum value integer dot max underscore value, and then let's have start and end variables of the window start, which is initially 0, and which is also initially 0, and then let's have a bit count array, so let's call it bits, so that is equal to new int of size 32 because it's of integer type. Then just simple sliding window, that while uh, end is less than nums dot length. What I'll be doing is, firstly I'll be adding my current element into the nums. Then what we'll be doing is, we'll be doing a, let's have an update bits function. In this we'll be passing the bits array nums of current number, and we'll be telling it that whether we have to increase the bit count or we have to decrease the bit count. Okay, now we'll using again a while loop, that while start is less than or equal to end, and my current XOR, let's say, is greater than k. So what we're doing is, we'll be having a function that is convert bits to basically the number and convert bits, and this will be passing the bits array. So while this is greater than or equal to k, what I'll be doing is, I'll be updating the minimum length, so answer is equal to minimum of my answer comma and minus start plus 1, and then I'll have to remove the leftmost number from the array. So for that I need to call the update bits function again. So bits with nums start and -1, basically we need to tell that we have to decrease. So we'll be doing a start plus plus, and after this we'll be doing an end plus plus, and at the end I'll be returning that if my answer is equal to integer dot maximum value, then I'll have to return -1, else I have to return answer. Now let's quickly write this function, which is private void update bits, private void update bits, and this we are having the bits array. It's the number and num and comma and value, basically, which will be telling us that whether we have to update the value, or basically whether we have to increase the bit count or we have to decrease the bit count. Okay, so then for int I equal to 0, I less than equal to 0, I less than 32, I plus plus. So firstly the condition is that what we'll be doing is we'll be doing a if my number by moving it to the bit position, that is I, uh, and we'll be doing an and of it with one bit in a brace, and this, if it is not equal to 0, that means we are having a sec bit. So what I'll be doing is I'll be doing a bit of I plus equal to the value. Basically if it's negative then it will decrease, and if it's positive the bit counter, that particular number will increase. Okay, and next I need to have a private int that is convert bits to the number function. So convert bits uh, int bits, and in this what I'll have to do is I'll be having my answer which is equal to 0 initially, and then what I'll be doing is for int I equal to 0, I less than 32, I plus plus, and then I'll be checking the def bits of I is not equal to 0, then I'll have to update the bit at the ith position in the answer. So I'm doing the answer or equal to 1 by left shifting I times, and then I'll just return answer. Now let's give it a run and gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works probably as well, and it gets accepted. Okay, so this way I proved it. Thank you for watching.